trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we were out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirt, like that guy. You want some love, like when you feel it calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. Yeah. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm back home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above us? I'd go. You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion, girl, and try to keep it open mind. I've been here by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's fate, you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
We're here! Dito lang yung entrance sa gilid ko, guys, which is perfect. So, let's go, guys! Dito na tayo sa Big W, guys. May mga naka-sale sila dun. But, I don't needs anymore. Ito lang sana, yung mga ganitong mga jacket. Kaya lang, hindi din kasi kami umaalis talaga ng bongga. So, paminsan-minsan niya lang magagamit. But this is actually so cheap. $10 lang siya, guys. And super gaan pa niya. Maybe I'll get him one. Ito cute, 6 to 12 months, yeah. He's got one at home. May hood to. Yeah, pwede din naman yung may hood. Ito, $12. Yeah, maybe I'll get him this 6 to 12 months. Kasi by that time, super lamig na. Pwede naman niya masuot to ngayon. Naka-sale to ng ayan, $5 na lang to. Yung 1C. And then this one is 10. Ang cute din yan. Pero I'm thinking na, ang dami ni Kai. Ang dami niya pang damit. Ito cute Spider-Man, no? Hindi na to naka-sale, guys. But they're cute. Meron nito si Kai. Nung binili ko yan, naka-sale. But ngayon, hindi na siya naka-sale. Cute. And may mga wondersuit sila. Ang daming bonds ni Kai dahil kay Mia. So, that's why hindi niya kailangan. Kasi ang dami niyang bodysuit na from Mia ba? Yeah. Ito, ang cute, cute ng kulay. Baka magdagdag ako for mga pantulog niya. Cute ng mga dress. Okay, $8 na lang to, guys. Ito yung mga wala siya. Kasi ang dami niyang bodysuit, but he doesn't have like pants. Kasi hindi naman niya kailangan. Kaya lang, pag may party-party, syempre kailangan din niyang magganyan-ganyan. Ang cute! How cute is this? Ay, meron siyang ganyan, O, diba? Ang cute ng mga damit ng Big W. But, again, hindi niya kailangan sa ngayon. Ito lang yung pinunta ko dito. Kasi close pa yung nail shop. So, nagpabili yung Auntie Nivi ng wipes. Tapos ito yun. Kasi nakasale sila, guys. Hindi ito nakasale ngayon. $23 siya ngayon. But okay na yan. And yung size 3, nakasale na Huggies. So, mas mura siya dito. So, I got one. Tingin-tingin tayo ng mga pantulog ni Kai. Yung medyo makapal. Ang cute ng mga shoes. Look at these. Unicorn. Cute-cute naman yan. Ay, ito pala. Yeah. Ay, ang cute ito. Yeah, he needs one. Kuha tayo siguro. Anong maganda? Andito yung mga pantulog. Here. He needs one of these. Meron ba siyang size? 0 to 3. Hala, wala siyang size, guys. Ba't wala siyang size? Ano ba yarn? Ito, ano to? Ito, 3 to 6 months. Ito, kaya super kapal. My gosh, that's super kapal naman compared dito. Mas maganda to. Yung pinagpipilian ko yung padded or this one. Kailan parang pangit ng tela. Parang meron siyang exist na di ko alam. Tapos 6 months lang yung available. So, I don't know. Tingin tayo sa Best and Less mamaya. Okay din sana yung green. Kaya lang may paa. But I don't mind pag pantulog. Kasi kailangan niya ng cover sa paa. Ang cute naman dito. For sure, wala nang size si Mia. Pumunta kami dito last time. Gusto niya yung Elsa tsaka Paw Patrol. Pero wala na naman siyang size, guys. Ubus na yung size niya. May nakita akong jacket. Si Mia kailangan niya ng jacket. Ito, cute. May size kaya siya? O, diba? Wala. Size 2. Yeah, wala siyang size. Ang cute na to. Size 5. Tingnan. Yeah, this one's cute. But I like this one. Wala. Wala naman siyang size. Tingnan natin. Dito na tayo sa Best and Less, guys. Titingin ako ng pangtulog ni Kai Kai. Wala na din naman silang size. May nakita na ako pero walang size. So, hanap tayo ng tawag dito long sleeve na sleeping bag. Long sleeve. Nasaan na kayo? Eto. Andito yung long sleeve nila. Tignan natin. Ayan, nandito. Wala silang ibang kulay. Super dark. Super dark na bear. Ayan. Okay na din to. Ito may blue. Ay, meron dito star. Star. Ayan, may mga size si Kai. Perfect. Ayan, diba? Pantulog niya, guys. Huwag na tong bear. Meron pang blue. Ay, wala naman ding size si Kai sa blue. Yun sana yung gusto kong kunin. Wala na. Sige, ito na lang. Same kulay. Meron din silang ito. Sleeping bag. Mas dito. Mura kaysa sa Big W. Gray. Ito. Wala din namang size, guys. Yeah, wala silang size. Yung gusto kong kulay, walang size. Ito, 3 to 6 months. Yan, that's perfect. Gusto ko to, yung parang beige, white. Walang size. Naalala ko meron si Mia nito before. Kaya lang pinamigay ko na. Ito na lang blue, no? Wala din kasing ibang size. Ibang design. Ito yung padded nila. Pwede din to. Pero sa, ano, super bigat kasi nito pag, sinuot. Ano na siya? Ito. So, pang winter na talaga siya, guys. So, 14 to 16 degrees.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Coles na tayo, guys. Ito na yung mga nakuha ko. I'm looking for something na pang snacks ni Mia. Unsalted peanut. She loves peanut. Kaya lang baka bawal sa school. I'm looking for that dried mango and ano yun? Strawberry. Pero hindi ko siya mahanap. Saan kaya banda yun? Tapos na tayo sa Coles. Papunta tayo dun sa Filipino shop.
Empty-handed, you like fast life, you like to drive, get down dirt, back, you want some love, like
Pagkano po yung Kinder Juicy? Tapos. Regular po. Ay, andun pala. Thank you po. Meron din silang cheese.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Alright, we are finally home. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung binili natin. So, this bag here is from Coles. Hindi ako nagdala ng sarili kong bag kasi hindi naman ako sana pupunta ng Coles. But then my sister asked me to buy lettuce. So, bumili na lang din ako. And then, eto na. Pabili tayo ng bag. Nakatatlong bag tayo sa Coles. But yeah, this one, Tender Juicy, guys, is from the Filipino shop. Arwin yung pangalan nila. So, this one is for my sister-in-law. Yung dalawa, so I'll separate the two. Kasi para yan sa sister-in-law ko. I've got 2 regular Tender Juicy and 1 cheese na Tender Juicy. So, akin yung, akin yung cheese. So, yung dalawa, ibibigay natin dun sa kanila. So, I'll put that in the freezer na baka matunaw pa sila. So, this is for my sister-in-law. May cheese na akong isa na binili ng kapatid ko, guys, last time. Sa, kabilang, naman, Filipino shop. Yung mas malayo, yung Melissa shop. Yun lang, wala na tayong space dito. Punong-puno. May ice cream tayo dito. So, that's the lettuce for my sister. Gusto ko mag-fry ng pork belly. We have the yogurt na frozen yogurt mini. Tawag ni Mia dito ice cream. We have the vanilla ice cream. Ito yung binibili ko, Coles. Meron pa kaming natira pero bumili lang ako. And ito yung mango chunks. Masarap to, guys, na mango. Meron din ito sa Costco pero mas madami. And I have green beans. Lagay ko lang tong mga frozen stuff sa freezer. Baka matunaw. Ito, lagay ko lang to sa fridge kasi gusto kong ulamin mamayang gabi. Yes, green beans. Next bag, we have paper towel. Ito sa Filipino shop, yung butterscotch bites. Grabe, ubos ko yung isa niyan last time. Yung super laki. Ubos ko, guys, sa isang kainan lang. Delimundo sa Filipino shop. Sweet chili sa Filipino shop. 2 Delimundo na garlic chili corned beef. I love that. And, ito sa Coles, onion, stuff for Pochi, yung Novak sanitizer deodorizer. And yung isa, Glen 20 na carpet spray. And then Mia's hairspray. And I've got this 6 Miracle Oil Essence. Sabi ng kapatid ko and my sister-in-law and my mom, maganda daw to. I still have some, pero di ko pa na gagamit. Bumili ako kasi naka-sale. Chicken stocks, toothpaste, and the hair tie for Mia, carrots, Glad wrap, and guys, meron sa Ellenbrook ng orange juice, fresh orange juice. Meron silang machine dun, same nung nasa Baselton kami. And yes, I've got two because I love the orange juice. Fresh orange juice, matamis siya. Noong nasa Baselton kami, I've got like 6 orange juice, guys. So yeah, I've got 2 only kasi hindi ko alam kung matamis or sour. But yes. Next bag here, meron tayong chips from the Filipino shop. We have Piatos, Nova, dalawang Mr. Chips, and yung the rest sa Coles na. So, bumibili ako nitong beads pag naka-sale, half price. So, half price sila ngayon. So, I've got 2. And then, naka-half price din yung downy nila. So, I've got 2. And then, the rest is panglinis ng bathroom. Ito yung Ajax. Dalawa tong kinuha ko. And then, yung panglinis ng toilet and the body wash. Ayan, kasi naka-sale sila. And, yes, that's it. Yung mga grocery natin today. Meron din akong nabili sa Big W, guys. I will do a haul as well. Tulog na si Kai. Pagdating ko, pinapapadede siya ng kapatid ko. And now, he's asleep. So, I'll just put this away quickly and then mag-haul tayo ng mga binili ko sa Big W. Dito tayo mag-haul. So, I've got this nappy kasi naka-sale siya sa Big W and mas mura siya, guys. So, I've got this size 3 na Haggis, which is 136 nappies for $46 ata. Kasi naka-sale siya ng... Yeah, naka-sale siya. Used to be basta $10 off. So, naging $46 na lang siya. And this one, yung sa Best and Less, guys. And Big W. So, sa Big W, ito lang yung nabili natin. Kasi naghanap ako ng pajama for Kai. Kasi nga malamig na pag, like, umaga na, guys. Na super lamig na. Nagti 10 degrees. So, I need like something, hindi siya super kapal, but like, it will keep him warm. So, I've got the 6 to 12. Ayan. Ang cute lang. So, very nice yung fabric. It's like velvet na tela. Velvety siya. And then this one, super cheap. $10 lang to. 10 o 12. Yes, it's only $12. So, yeah. Ang cute lang ng kanyang design. Meron din siyang hoodie. So, yeah. I like that. Diba, dinala ko yung hanger. Anyway. And then, the rest sa Best and Less na. And mas mura dun sa Best and Less. I've got this for me. Iso-surprise ko siya mamaya pag na-pick up ko na siya. So, this is a nail polish. Gusto-gusto niya yan. So, I've got this 1C. Ayan lang siya. Mura kasi dun, guys. And then, may pa built-in, ano na siya, mittens, cover sa hand niya. Meron din cover yung feet, which is so good. And this one, pwede niya pa masuot. Time na to, oras na to, pwede niya masuot to sa loob lang ng bahay or pag umalis kami na hindi masyado malamig. And yeah, I got this one. Cute ako dito. This one is 6 to 12 months. Hala, nalubat na siya. Wala, lubat na, guys. Lubat na ang microphone ko, hindi ko na-charge. So, this one is another pajama for Kai. Yung mga kinuha ko is 6 to 12 months na para may, may, para magkasya pa sa kanya pag, super lamig. So, ayan. That's cute. And then this one, pwede niya to pang alis. And ito, pwede niya to pang tulog. Tapos yung makapal lang na, kasi meron akong mga sleeping bag na makakapal, na open yung arms. So, pwede to sa kanya pang tulog. Tatlo yan, guys. May white. Ayan. Maganda dito, adjustable siya, which is so good. Kasi, ayan, pag hindi nakasya, meron pa siyang tatlo dito na pwede mong nakalagay dito, extended snaps for perfect fit, which is so good. Ito definitely a pajama. Ayan. Meron din siyang paa. Ayan. Okay lang yan kasi para hindi siya lamigin. Ayan. That's so nice. And ito yung sleeping bag na may arms. Kasi yung mga sleeping bag niya ngayon na binili ko sa Ego Pouch tsaka Love to Dream, wala silang, hinahanap ko din dun, pero wala silang pang talaga, cover sa arms. So, maganda yung may ganito. And I've got the 6 to 12 months actually. Sinize up ko siya. Kasi naalala ko, magpa 5 months na si Kai. So, malapit na, 6 months na siya. Ito naka-sale. So, gamit na gamit ko yung bib kay Kai. Grabe siya maglaway, guys. Naka-sale din to, which is cute na cute ako. Ayan. So, meron siyang ganyan sa loob. And, yeah. What do you call this? It's kinda romper. Romper, diba? 6 to 12 months yung nakuha ko. Or coverall. Yeah, coverall. And this is the other color. 6 to 12 months din yung kinuha ko. So, yeah. Ang bilis. My gosh. Yung mga binibili ko, 6 to 12 months na. So, yeah. That was it from Best and Less. Mas mura kasi sa Best and Less. But, yeah, which is so good. So, yung mga swaddle niya, hindi na naman natin magagamit kasi nag-roll over na siya, guys. So, eto, gandang-ganda ako dito sa cotton stretch ng Love to Dream. Kasya pa to sa kanya. Pero this one, hindi siya kasi stretchy. So, parang pasikip na sa kanya, guys. This is the Love to Dream as well na, tawag dito, transition bag. So, you can just remove this. Ayan. Para arms out sila. Kasi nag-roll over na siya eh. So, this is a transition bag. Last time, I was using this na close to, tapos nakalabas lang yung isang arm. Kasi parang naninibago siya na nakalabas yung arm niya and di siya makatulog. So, yeah, I was using one arm close, tapos yung isa nakalabas. And it works. So, ngayon, dalawa na yung arm na nakalabas sa kanya. And, yeah, ito hindi siya stretchy. So, parang pa-fit na sa kanya. Bagong bili ko lang to. And look at this. Look at the difference. Mahaba yung cotton stretch. Super haba kaysa sa isang binili ko na ano to siya eh, medium din, which is this one medium din. But this one is same lang sila, guys. Same lang sila ng size. And magkaiba lang kasi swaddle to. Ito, swaddle up transition bag. So, pang transition na siya kasi nga pwede mo ma-open yung arms. But, yeah, pa-fit na sa kanya kasi yung size is 6 to 8.5. 8.2 na siya last time. Nung chinek siya ng child health nurse. So, yeah. Ganun. Sana ni-large ko lang siya dito kasi hindi ko alam. I thought na may space pa kasi nga ito is mahaba. Mas mahaba to. Pero yung body, okay naman. It's just that ka-length niya na yung yung itong sleeping bag na to kasi nga parang maiksi siya compared dito. So, yeah. Should have get the large one kasi hindi siya mura, guys. Mahal yung Love to Dream. It's like $50. Unlike dito, $18 lang siya. Ito yung mga pinick up ko sa post office. So, 3 yan sa kapatid ko. And this is mine. So, later na lang natin buksan. Sa ano to, guys? Woman Nature ko binili. And, puntahan natin si Kai. I think he's waking up or I don't know. But he was asleep before. So, yung kapatid ko nandun pa din. Ayan siya, oh. He's asleep. But yeah, let's go upstairs kasi magpapampa ako. Hello, guys. Dede ng aming Kai. Kakagising lang naming dalawa. Nakatulog kami kay na. Nakatulog man si mami tsaka ikaw, no? More than 2 hours tulog kaming dalawa. No, tapos gutom na siya. Pagising-gising na siya kasi gutom na. It's been 4 hours and ilang minutes yun? 25 minutes. Tingnan natin yung record ni Kai. Ay, 43 minutes man yan. Ayan, oh. 4 hours and 43 minutes na hindi nakatulog kami ng Mga 2 hours, more than 2 hours yun. 2 hours and 23 minutes yun pala. Yun yung tulog natin, 2 hours and 23 minutes na sinabayan ko siya tulog guys kasi antok pa ko. Antok pa si mami. So, yun, natulog kaming dalawa. At least, nakatulog ako. Nakatulog si mami. Iyak-iyak na siya, hindi siya paghintay sa daddy niya. Iniinit pa ni mami.
Oh, chaka chaka choo.
We're trying to call daddy. Daddy's not answering. Dito na siya sa room. Busy-busy siya sa baba. Ginamit niya yung nail polish na bili natin kanina. Cutics na naman siya. Be careful na. So, ayun guys, hindi nakauwi si daddy nung Monday. Nasa airport na siya nung mga lunchtime kasi yung flight niya is 3. Tapos, nung check-in niya na, hindi siya pinapayagan na mag-board kasi pumunta kasi siya ng Cambodia borders. Nung last punta niya, nung pabalik na siya ng Vietnam, walang exit stamp yung Cambodia. So, ayun, nababas lang siya ng Cambodia without a stamp. And then, that's what they're asking sa airport. Nasaan yung stamp ng exit mo sa Cambodia. And wala daw. So, kailangan niya bumalik sa Cambodia border para makuha yung physical stamp sa passport. And yeah. So, he have to get another ticket papunta dito. So, he have to book another flight. Which is Saturday na nga. Saturday yung next flight. Kasi 2 lang daw yung flight na available ng Vietnam Airlines. Kasi gusto niya diretso yung flight. Walang stopover. So, ayun. Saturday yung available. Ayun na, daddy's calling.
Hey!
Kaya ayun. Inis na inis din siya.
Daddy!
Daddy's in the bathroom.
Hey.
Oh no, was it raining?
Yeah, we went to the farm to
Daddy, what are you doing now? You pee pee. You pee pee.
Did you put the what?
the fish trap.
Kaika's
Daddy,
there.
brother.
Hello, Daddy! Daddy!
Mommy, don't show Daddy. Daddy's naked. Daddy's naked.
No, it's alright. It's only Kai. Hello, Daddy! Ay, hala. Ang batang to. Hello to Daddy! Daddy! Ligo na ate. You wanna go shower? Sige na. Ay, ako. Hala, marunong na mag-smile sa camera. Nakatingin lang siya dyan sa panood niya. Nakita niya yung camera. Tumingin sa camera. Nakasmile pa. Oh, gustong-gusto niya yung Miss Rachel. Ay! Batang to. Napaka-cute. Oh, saya-saya na naman niya sa pinapanood niya. Oh. Who's that boy? Is that you, boy? Ha? Naliligo si Ate Mia. Nasa shower siya. Ah, sorry. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish lang. Swish, swish, swish lang. Lang. Open and shut. Open and shut. Tiku-tiku. Tiku-tiku. Oh, cute-cute man at ang dudong ko, oh. Hello, people. Let's unbox these, guys. Yes. Later after we eat dinner. So I have all my serums from Thailand. Kasi pumunta sila sa Thailand. Tapos nag-order ako ng aking mga
I'm
serums.
talking to you.
Yes?
I said I want that ice cream because I'm sad.
Later after dinner. So, vitamin C and vitamin E.
Everybody says that's the
Tag
same.
isa. And then,
Like,
eto guys, Kumiko drink. Kumiko drink. Collagen drink. Ayan. I think this is from...
Mommy, they
This is
had
Japan. BK Cherry Blossom. Japan, no? Yeah, this is from Japan. Kumiko. Dalawang box to. Kaya lang, kinuha sa box ni ate yung isa para kasya dito, guys. Which is a good idea, actually. Ayan. So, yeah, that was it. And may pa-freebie na naman ako.
Mommy, what's that? Let me see.
Chocolate!
Awesome.
Meron akong choco stick.
Mommy, can I see?
Nag-ano ba siya? Hala, hindi siya nag, ano.
Chocolate coins.
Parang sira na yung focus nito, ah.
Mommy, chocolate coins are mine.
Yeah, and then,
Mommy, they're all
choconut.
mine.
Choconut.
I
Ayan.
always like that. Mommy, I always like that.
And then, gold. Ano may mga
Mommy,
gold?
remember I always eat this.
Yeah. Yan, may mga gold Cherbachu na chocolates ata.
God, so yummy.
Yeah, she gave it to us for free. Lagi ako may pa-freebie sa kanya na pagkain. Tapos pag nagustuhan ko,
Oh, my chocolate.
in-order ko ulit. That's it, guys. Kain tayo. Eggplant and hot dog. Tender juicy, guys. Ang sarap-sarap man. Si Kai gising. Gising. Sa kapatid ko nagpapadede, oh. At si Mia nandyan. Kain tayo. Ginawang dipping ng kapatid ko vinegar. So, diyan natin i-dip. I normally dip it na may soy sauce. Vinegar and soy sauce. And, you know, the normal dip. But, that's alright. Kain tayo, guys. I'm also pumping right now. Nakaligo na din kami ni Mia. Kanina pa, guys. It's actually now 9 p.m. But, ngayon pa lang tayo kakain. Tapos na silang dalawa. Kakatapos lang nila. Pero tulog ko kasi, nagluluto yung sisi ko, nagising si Kai. So, pinatulog ko siya ulit. Kaya lang, every time na ilagay ko siya sa cot niya, nagigising. So, yun, hawakan ko na lang siya hanggang sa 30 minutes yung tulog. So, 30 minutes lang yung nap niya. Kaya siya kaya parang katulog siya agad later. And now, gutom na siya. Kain. Sarap.
Sweetie pie. And I'm trying to practice to carry cards.
Ah.
And first we had to hold into his neck. And he keeps moving, so I can't do it. And then we had to...
Oh my God. Magalaw na kasi si Kai. Oo, matusok mo.
And he keeps like this.
Oo, diba? Oo. What are you gonna do? Kala ni Kai, papasok mo yung finger sa kanyang mouth.
I did it.
Oh, you did it? Is that all you wanna do?
I did it.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
She's practicing, she said. Oh my God, damdam mo. Thank you. Yun nyo naman. Ang dinner. Mata na ni?
Hati ko lang same ng mo.
Thank you. Diba may delivery tayo?
How about your juice?
Yeah, it's okay. Just put it there. Yeah, I'll give some to you. Pinihisan ko na si Kai kasi
Mommy, but I
malamig.
already brushed my teeth.
Ano?
You should have not told me. You should have just told me that.
Put Kai down. He's very strong, ate. Very strong boy.
That's a strong boy.
Oh, yes. He's sleepy too. We need to put him back to sleep.
That's a strong boy.
Mayroon pala siyang ganito, guys. Oh, nakita ko dun sa drawer. Tingin-tingin ako. Sabi ko, ano kaya ang masusuot ni Kai na medyo makapal?
Right, the look.
Kasi ang nipis ng suot niya kanina.
A cutie.
This one, nipis to. Ito.
A
Ito yung suot niya. Kay Mia pa to, guys. Ayan na. Umiiyak na nga. Kay Mia pa to. Nipis. Ayan na. Okay, let him. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Hello, boy. Ella, matulog na ikaw? Nagbigay pa si Tita Pretty ng dessert. Mami ka na eat it yet. Kasi, tulog man ikaw, Danay, ha? Tulog na ikaw.
I wanted some of that too.
Or you can even brush your teeth again.
But I don't want because I'm still tired.
Oh, how about you go sleep now? I'll save some for you tomorrow.
But just eat the banana and
Oh, eat the
don't
banana. Okay.
Only eat the banana. I eat that whole thing.
Okay. Dosi na saging to, guys. Gawa na, di ko alam sino gumawa. Sister-in-law ko or mama ko. But, yeah, we were there.
Wait till it's
Yes,
hot.
it's still hot.